In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Now, this can be an important task if you've made a mistake on a check, or if a check was issued in error and needs to be nullified in the accounting records. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your books remain accurate. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed and where you can view the detailed transactions within each one. So, once you are logged into QuickBooks Online, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel, and within this panel, there's a section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on Transactions. Next, you'll see the option for Chart of Accounts. Click on that tab, and you'll be presented with a list of all your different accounts. This is a crucial step because your next action will be to locate the account from which the funds for the check were taken. Most commonly, this will be your checking account, as it typically handles the majority of check writing tasks. Once you're in the correct account, you'll want to click View Register. This opens up the transaction details for that particular account. Here, you can sift through all the transactions and locate the one you're interested in voiding. Specifically, you want to identify the transaction that represents the check payment in question. When you've located the check transaction, click on it. This will bring up more details about the transaction. You'll see an Edit option, and you should go ahead and select it. This takes you into the Transactions editing screen, giving you the ability to make the necessary changes. Now, while you're in the Transaction editing screen, direct your focus to the lower portion of the panel. You'll notice a button labeled More. Clicking on this button will present you with a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, you're going to find the option to void the check. Click Void, and QuickBooks will take care of the rest. And just like that, you've successfully voided a check in QuickBooks Online. This action ensures the check is marked as void in your records, keeping everything tidy and accurate. Make sure to double-check that the check has been voided correctly by reviewing the transaction list again. This step is vital in maintaining precise accounts and preventing any confusion or discrepancies down the line. Thank you for following along with this guide. Remember, handling financial records accurately is critical, so it's great to see you taking the time to ensure everything is in order. If you have any further questions about this process or any other features in QuickBooks Online, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for additional help.